Hello friends, I am Sanjay Gupta. In this video, I am going to discuss about skill-based interview questions related to C. Before starting, you can note my information, which includes my app, books and YouTube channel. So the first code segment is containing various statements, in which first is character variable declaration, then character pointer, which is containing Satvik Man as a string, then strlen find out length of a string, then loop will repeat from 0 to less than length, then s of length of I is assigned into p of I. After completion of loop, printf will print value of p. So you have to identify output of this code segment. So according to the execution, its output will be nothing will be printed. So now I am going to explain how this will happen. So these two statements are very easy. P is containing nothing and S is containing Satvik Man. Now we have to identify length of S. So calculate length of S. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Total 10 characters are available. You have to count space also. So value of length will be 10. So loop will start from 0 and condition will be I less than 10. So first time it is true. Then P of I means P of 0 will be receiving S of length minus I. So length is 10 and I is 0. So it becomes 10. So S of 10 will be assigned into P of 0 location. So now we have to check what is the value available on 10th index. So as you all know, index starts from 0. So S Satvik Man strings S will be on 0 index. So S on 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this N is on 9th index, and on 10th index there will be null character which is automatically inserted in a string. So this S of 10 will assign null into P of 0 location. Then remaining characters will be assigned into P of 1, 2, 3 and so on locations. So after completion of loop, this printf will print value of P. So since P contains null on first location, so we all know that null is termination point for a string. So if we store null on 0th index of a string, then it becomes an empty string. So that's why nothing will be printed on console. This is another code segment. In this code segment, character array A is containing null. Then if condition containing printf %s/n_a, then printf else again printf. So you have to identify its output. So it will print OK here. So I am going to explain it how this is possible. So printf will print value of A. So A contains null, so it will not print any value, but after %s there is \n. So \n will work here as new line character. So printf prints the number of character, the value which is printed by printf, it automatically returns it back. So this if condition will receive 1 because /n is known as a character and it is a single character. So if will receive 1, that's why if condition will become true. So printf will print OK here because condition is true. This is another code segment. Here str1, str2, two strings are declared. First one is containing SOME, second is also containing SOME, but it is also containing null character. Then if is using strcmp function for comparison. So we have to check the output of this code segment. So output will be both are unequal. So it will print true part. So if is checking strcmp str1 comma str2. So str1 contains SOME, str2 contains SOME and null. So initial 4 characters are same, but in str1 on 5th position there is garbage value, but in str2 there is null. So if we compare str1 and str2 with strcmp function, So this will return non-zero value. So non-zero value is true. That's why printf will print both are unequal. Why non-zero value will be returned? Because ASCII value of the character which is stored on this location of str1 will be subtracted from null character. So ASCII value of null is 0. So if we subtract 0 from any other character's ASCII value, so it will print any non-zero value. So this if condition will become true and both are unequal will be printed. This is very simple code segment. Here puts function is calling sum function. So sum function is defined below. Here temp character pointer is declared which is containing Satvik man and it is returning temp. So temp is returned from sum function. Return type of this function is character pointer. The returned address will be automatically received here through puts and it will print Satvik man on console. So output will be Satvik man. This is another code segment. Here S is character array which is containing angel. Then for loop is mentioned here which is rotating till null. 4 times %c is returned which will print 4 different characters. So S of I means S of 0, then I of S, then asterisk I plus S, then asterisk S plus I. So this is array notation. It will automatically convert into this notation. This is also array notation. This will convert into this notation. So these two notations are known as pointer notation and these two notations are known as array notation. Meaning of all the notations are same. That's why first 4a, then n, g, e and l are printed on console. So you might know name of any array represents its base address. So try to add I in base address and then dereference its value. So you will find out the same output. So if we write s plus I or I plus a, I plus s, so both means same. That's why s of I and I of s will be same because these array notations are further converted into these pointer notations. Thank you for watching this video.